Good morning, everyone. This is Anne-Marie. Today is Friday, January the 18th, and this is Look at SPY. We did have the expansion day, certainly did, but look at the end of the day. See this press to the upside, the wick underneath here, the wick above here, the press up over the 100% retracement, and then the failure to hold it on the close of the day. Not particularly bullish. All right, so we'll be definitely looking to see what's going on here. Could be a little bit of flat action sideways, which would be dampening momentum. That would fall in line with this indicator. It would fall in line with this indicator. I took a look at the CCI to see if it's telling us something. Sometimes the CCI gives us a little bit of a clue ahead of time. And I don't see it. Everything is in positive trending territory, so it is not something that's really showing any sign of rollover. What do we have to look at today? Tough to say. Very, very tough to say. I do not have a clear view of what's happening here, but what I do see is momentum that is not accelerating in the way that you want to see momentum accelerate out of a breakout, right? You want to look like, you want to see a candlestick that involves a lot of energy, and we don't see that. Let's take a look at the volume. Down into the 30-minute chart so we could take a closer look at the volume. We've got a little bit of selling that's more active than the buying, but the last 30 minutes significant enough for us to actually mitigate this right here, so we don't really have that. But notice the state that this DPO is sitting in. It's really red, but in a neutral zone area, and frankly it is not technically divergent. We are still getting higher lows and higher highs on this marker ever since this green arrow right here. Right? So we are seeing strength still holding. What's the natural rotation event? Somewhere around here, I would guess, if I'm looking at the 30-minute chart. And the hold and bounce off the 147.51 area should give us another press to the upside. Expect us to take a breath, not move a whole lot. We normally have only one expansion day in options expiration week, and so probably going to be a little bit of a nothing day, unfortunately. We used to have such beautiful fireworks on options expiration day, but in the land of diminished volatility, that just doesn't seem to happen. All right, so what's the story? Let's see if we can hold this baseline event right around here, 147.50. 147.20 is the breakout level, thereabouts. If we pull back into the breakout level and pop up, that's going to be strength in terms of the way the charts are going to behave. So I'm pretty pleased with that if that would be the case. If we begin to roll back down here, we could have ourselves a little bit of an extended breath in the end. Still seeing upside momentum. Remember, butterflies can extend from the 127.2 to the 1618, so don't get all excited about, shorting up there. We should have trouble up there, but nothing really showing that the trouble is going to be extended. All right, we should see another flat action. Now, what I have noticed in the TF and the ES is this interesting phenomenon, that the movements have been extremely symmetric. And so if that is the case, oh, look at that. Let's see how we do pulling in this particular symmetry, right? Same sideways action, same width. I just lifted it up, popped it up there. Let's see what symmetry is working like that. There are a lot of charts that are building in quite a bit of symmetry. This is one of them also. All right, so maybe we have one little pop up here and then a little pullback, and then, maybe we have this kind of noise again. I don't know. Great for sellers of premium. Theta erosion is fantastic for these kinds of things. Let's hope we'll be able to capitalize on opportunities like that. Good luck today.